Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, let me extend a very special welcome to you as always. And I want to thank you so much for joining the family. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning and still there. What more can I say? Manners and respect, man. Now let's get right into this little video. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you a curry flavored fried chicken. Curry flavored fried chicken. Just watch as I go into this. This was definitely arranged by me personally. You understand? You know I'm like that from time to time. I do my own things because you know, I'm in on producing cookbooks, not cookbook. Cookbooks we're going to be producing. So I've got to be really busy. I wanted to do this video from a long time. It's on my list to do videos long time. And from this curry flavored fried chicken, it is going to move us into another curry flavored something chicken. But we're not ready for that yet. Now I'm going to be using today 2 chicken leg and thigh. We're going to be separating them. You can separate yours if you would like. So now these have been washed and they have all been drained. Okay? And I've given them 4 little slits depending on the size of your leg and thigh. And I want you to look at this. You're to clean your chicken and there's this sort of, you know, that sort of vape slimy thing that's on it. Make sure you get it off. These are the fat parts, you want to keep them on to keep your chicken juicy. And make sure this yellow part we cap down on there, it's a part that come off the chicken foot. Make sure a yellow piece that is always here, you know what I'm talking about. Please to remove it. It's not a part of the chicken, it's not no seasoning, you see, it is supposed to be removed. The chicken foot connects right here. So when you cut it, there's always this piece of yellow thing. And I see people cook the chicken with it all the time. Okay, so whilst focusing on cleaning the chicken, you need to remember to pull off that part. It's easy. You just pull it, it comes right off. Okay, hello. You just gently clean your chicken and make sure your chicken are looking like this. Always try to choose fresh chicken. And I'm using the leg and thighs because they are the most juiciest part of the chicken. Are the more juicy. Yes, they are the most juicy part of the chicken. Now, you don't have to have nature up the chicken and I soap up the chicken and I put cake soap on it and I put it out the door for burn like clothes because you want to get it clean and pretty. I'm going to do for you a video one day how to clean your chicken when you cut up your chicken and you go wash it. Now, if you have to scrub it, no, that's not necessary. Okay, let me get my hands all rinsed and me go come back to you. Now, we did say curry flavored fried chicken. Okay, now what I'm going to be putting in right here and now, I'm going to be putting in a little salt. Don't put too much because we have a curry paste here. Right? This is cooked curry. Okay, family? This is properly cooked curry paste. So this has in some salt. All know long time say, me not deal with the only salt business. Okay? So I'm just putting this like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for now. Now, I have here some crushed pimento seeds. I'm going to be putting half on the chicken and I'm going to be putting the other half inside this mixture. I'll soon tell you what this is and how you come to get this, okay? Now, I took this up and it's sage. But when I smell it, I'm going to get it. I'm not going to do nothing for the chicken. So, you can put something to represent the sage. So I don't have anything else except these my other herbs. So I'm going to be grating right here and now. Remember, it's curry flavored. So I'm going to be grating some ginger. So you can do, if you want to use your all-purpose, you can go ahead. Okay, but try not but butcher it, you know. And I use like, this is less than half of a thumb. of my thumb. Remember I tell you, use the ginger to your thumb. Some people thumb big doing and some people thumb small. I'm going to be grating maybe half of this onion. I've grated my onions, and as I always say to you, whilst grating and it starts to shell, and if this comes you can put it, but not in the fried chicken. You want to remove it. So I'm going to be doing now some garlic. Do as much fresh garlic as you like, or if you want to use garlic powder. Now I've got a piece of turmeric here. I'm not going to use it. I'm just showing it to you in case your curry powder turn workless or get workless on you. Because you know we talk about the workless curry from time to time. Some of them, as you look on them, you know they're workless. But some of them look nice, but as you start to use them and the heat catch, and that's when they become workless. So you keep this on hand, okay, in case you're not sure of your curry. I'm sure of mine because I've been using it for a long time. So you keep this turmeric to bring up the color of the curry fried chicken, eh? Okay, now. Now we have all those in there. We had a little some crushed pimento. We had grated onion, grated garlic, grated ginger, and a little salt. Now we are going to be putting some of this curry paste. I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons. Okay? And we are going to season. Remember I say to you, season your chicken. I've got to get myself some gloves. I need some gloves, family. Season your chicken. I could use my hands, but the reason why I'm using something on my hands, it is the pimento. Just it. Okay? So, season your chicken to your liking. If you would like to do as I do, I will leave for you in the description of the video. And family, sometimes I know we are guilty. We don't put in the description at the same time. But we always go after and put it in. So if you don't see it at the same time that the video is uploaded, you can check back in another 24 hours, okay? Thank you so very much. Let's proceed now. You remember I slit the chicken because we wanted to get all of this thing inside there. You know what I'm saying? So we are going to be rubbing in. I think this is okay. This 2 tablespoons is okay for the 2 leg and thighs that I have here. Okay? For me, I'll tot my curry is cooked, my chicken is not cooked. But I'm going to tot my finger right the end of my index finger. Just look at this. Look at this. And I'm going to put it to the tip of my tongue. I'm tasting for salt perfection. That's what I'm doing. And I'll never stop doing this. Yes, my salt is good. So, seasoning this. And this is the perfect curry color. Remember I told you, if your curry don't give you this pretty color, you can always grate a little turmeric until you bring it to the bright color. Because we want it to have the curry look when it's finished. Now, you can leave this overnight if you want to, which is not really necessary. But remember, if you're using more chicken, you would have to use more seasonings, more curry paste, more every little thing. So I'm going to leave this now for about half an hour. And when half an hour, I return to show you how we are going to proceed to get this chicken fried off. Okay? Okay, now family. This, I didn't go 30, I went 20. And I left it right on my cupboard because my weather is not too hot. And all of you up there, wherever you are, in like Canada and the States where it's freezing cold or something. If you do this, you don't have to put it in your refrigerator because the temperature is really good. Okay? The temperature is good. Well, if you're leaving it overnight, well, you know you have to put it. But if you left it only for 15 minutes, you have to put it in the fridge. Come on. And I'm going to prove to you someday as we go along on the journey of the Jamaican cooking right here. Now, I told you this is a little oats flour. Okay? I did not, I'm sorry. So you saw me, I had a little black pepper, I had a little of the pimento in there. And I'm going to put right in here now 1 teaspoon, yes. This is where me know a teaspoon is from Day One family. Please to comment. And this me know a teaspoon. Original teaspoon. That's why I'm in a Jamaican whole spoon business, you know. Okay? We're going to be putting like a little bit of salt. Me don't want a whole of salt in something, you know, because I think my meat had enough salt taste. So, we're gonna use your spoon right now to combine your oats flour, your little oats. It look like flour, don't, but like, you know, oats flour or oats powder. Okay. Now, Miss Debbie, how did we combine this oats thing? I'm coming to you. Right here we have some herbs. I have scallion, I have a little piece of crushed ginger, we have some crushed garlic. That one look like it ain't crushed. How they do? So we're gonna put it, make sure they are dry, almost dry. We're gonna put them in this oil, turn it up and let them fry to a certain extent to get the flavors out. Don't let them burn. Please be riding and whistling right there. Now to how, I hope you're following me. I hope I'm not going too fast. I hope you're following me. We're going to be riding and whistling. Now I've used some quick oats. This is quick oats. You could use the old fashioned, but this would go faster. So you're going to be putting some, as much as you want, into your food processor, and you would use your multi-purpose blade, and you're going to put it on high for a few minutes and let it stay there until you get it to where you want it. This is how I get it. Okay? I'm using this because it's more healthier than the white flour, and you could also mix the white flour, or you want to put some whole wheat there, try to do things different from a different angle. I'm throwing it out to you, I'm sharing it with you, and I'm also, for myself, would like some different things for myself too, so I'm sharing with you. Now we are right down with it. Now we want to get this all combined in here. Okay, if you want to season yours more with your powdered seasoning, you can go ahead. Okay, family, just go ahead and do your thing. Okay, now you're going to be using your bare hands, or if you want to use your like for people who have nails, I would suggest you put on your gloves, because you know why your nails them get discolored. But I don't know, send me all time anything to me, you know. Okay, right on over here. See, with herbs them, they are frying off. Remember, we have to remove them before they get burnt. Now we're coming right on over here, and we're going to be putting this. This is so nicely seasoned, y'all. And you're going to use your flour, your oats powder, your oats flour, or whatever. You're going to, you know, putting it around. Make sure you get it all packed down. Gently, you don't have to do it hard. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to be doing one, whilst I pay some attention to my seasonings and my herbs there being fried off. So you want to pat it down on it. Pat it down from side to side. You don't want to see none of the raw meat now, not, because this curry, with the power of this curry, the color is going to come right out from under this flour here when it's done fried. You're going to shake the excess. Make sure everywhere is covered. So I'm saying, you're going to shake the excess, and you're going to put it on this thing here and leave it, I'm not sure how many minutes, until you see the curry start come out above the oats. So we are going to put the other one and leave it. So when we return, our herbs should be removed, finish infuse the oil, and these, the color of the curry is supposed to come on top, and we are going to start frying. See? Herbs right out at this point. This oil is properly flavored. Okay? That's flavored oil. Herbs, flavored oil. Now, you see the curry start coming out. We could wait a little more, but in the interest of the video, medium heat, not high heat. Gently putting in your leg and thighs. These should not go more than about 10 minutes on each side, okay, because we gave them some slit. We make, 10 to 12 minutes on each side. Very much so covering your pot, okay, on the medium. When they are ready to turn to the other side, we return to show you how our curry flavored fried chicken is progressing. How do you like the video so far? Say something in the comment section. We soon come. Okay, now family, we did not get to return to show you how it was, but now we are removing them. Okay, and this is what it looks like. This is the top, because we wow, Gently, remember, just gently, 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 gently. Maybe this one can go a little more. We're gonna let that one go a little more. Okay, on the other side, we want it to get a little more like this. So we soon come back. Okay, family. Okay, now family, all out, and you want to leave them on a wire rack, something, you know, like this, to let all the juice or the curry oil drain. So we're gonna uncover though. Don't cover it. If you cover it, it's gonna get saggy. And you see it's not saggy, okay? So if you cover it, it's gonna get saggy. And you want to know when to stop frying it, lest it becomes too dark. So we're gonna leave this uncovered for another, let us say, 7 minutes. Then it should be properly drained and everything will come together. And we'll come back to present to you and all of that. Okay, y'all? Okay, now family, all finished. I'm gonna present to you. But what I want to say to you, I left them to drain for about 7, probably about 8 minutes, okay? I am not going to be cutting them because you're going to say, Miss Debbie, oh, I'm going to know say it fry. It's properly fried and it's really hot there now, okay? So, when you leave them to drain for about 7 to 10 minutes, when you return, you will know how much fried they are, okay? Because you know, see no water or John, it's just oil, and these are the little crumbs that came from it. If it wasn't properly fried, you would see all bloody water draining, okay? So it's properly fried. Let me present to you. That is the proof without cutting it, okay? From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your plate, to your stomach, and most of all to your family table, it is curry flavored fried chicken done from scratch. Please do enjoy. Remember, try to use the leg and the thighs. They are the most juicy part. Please do enjoy. Remember to like this video. If you have, remember to hop. Remember to share. Remember to leave your comments below. Principled and decent. And in order to be a member of the post notification where we call out your name, you know you have got to subscribe. When you subscribe, you hit the bell. When you hit the bell, and if you're in the first or second or even the third sometimes to make a comment, then you will be that post notification person. Today's post notification shout out goes to Sheppy Bradshaw. Hi Sheppy, we know you're there on this, you know, fried chicken in a cold weather. Fried chicken and soup. Okay, y'all? Please do enjoy. Remember to like, share, subscribe once more. Leave your comments below. Remember that we have our PayPal donation button on our channel for those who would like to. For those, let me emphasize, for those, the PayPal button, it is for those that would like to make a donation to the Jamaican cooking journey. It is not for those who would not like to. It is for those who would like to, and we will be so grateful. Thank you so much. And also we'll be leaving in the description of the video ways that you can get on to us, all our contacts that you can get to us. Remember to leave your comments below, so principled and so decent. And those of you who are new and you have made a comment and you have not seen me reply, don't worry, I am on to it. It's gonna be late, but it's gonna be answered, okay? Remember to like, share, subscribe again. And remember, Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.